Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now in today's video, we're going to be checking out a couple of interesting accessories that you might be interested here. So as you can see on my side, I do have a very interesting looking mini fridge over here, so we'll be checking that out. I also have a couple of wireless earbuds here that I'll be sharing with you guys, so it's going to be a fun one, so stick with me throughout this entire video. Now before we begin, I'm not sure if you are aware, but these BASEUS, they basically make all sorts of mobile accessories. They have power banks, chargers, and all those kind of stuff here, so you might already be familiar with this brand, but that's for all of you guys out there who don't understand BASEUS. Alright, so let's check out the first product that we have right here. Obviously, we do have this BASEUS mini fridge that I just mentioned. Do you guys think it reminds you of a certain game? I'm sure some of you might be able to tell what game this thing looks like. But yeah, it's actually designed to be very clean and minimalist looking. And the best part is that it's actually quite portable here. It's not very heavy. You can carry it around to bring it on your journey, on trips and all that. But yeah, it does look very cool here. And you do have a leather strap at the top here so you can carry it very easily. Now bear in mind that this is actually, like I mentioned, a mini fridge. So when you open it, you notice that the space is sufficient for 8 liters. One more thing that you do have to note about this mini fridge right here is that it has two functions. First up, it can cool your drinks and all that, obviously since it's a mini fridge, and apart from that, it can also warm things up. I know that some ladies out there, they actually put makeup stuff in cool areas, so this might actually be used for that kind of storage. But otherwise, for you and me, for you guys out there who like to drink Coca-Cola, Sprite, fruit juice and all that, you can just pop it in the fridge here and put it in your car and bring it on trips where you might go. So yes, obviously here in Malaysia, our borders are now open. We have the interstate travel. You guys can carry this thing with you so that you can just carry your cold stuff or your warm stuff depending on where you guys go to travel. So that's really what this mini fridge is all about. Now in terms of the pricing, the original price of the mini fridge right here is RM299, but BASEUS is having a promotion on 11/11. The price will only be $229, and you can also grab more vouchers to get further discounts. So if you're interested in this mini fridge right here, definitely check out the links down below so you can find out more about this product right here. Okay, so we're done with the fridge now. Let's check out the two other products that we have here. Those are actually wireless earbuds, and we're going to start off very quickly with the BASEUS W3 that I have right here. Now this device here, the reason why we're sharing this on the channel is because this is actually one of the most affordable wireless earbuds that I have ever tested. It is only starting from a price of RM50, so about 50 ringgit here in Malaysia. Very, very affordable, but you do get this very nice and clean looking design wireless earbuds over here. Now if you just pop the lid over here, you can be able to see the two wireless earbuds sitting inside. It looks very nice here, and of course, you do not have wireless ANC, but BASEUS is saying that the rubber tips will actually be quite strong in keeping the noise off. So that's something that you should take note of. Now in terms of the colors here, apart from the white version that I have, there is also a purple version. The BASEUS W3 is actually very comfortable to use. It is also very lightweight. Now the music output for the W3 is not the greatest, but at this price point, it is considered pretty good. The 10mm cordless delivers bass that was sufficient, and audio clarity when taking calls was also pretty good. Now, according to BASEUS, the W3 also has a built-in MEMS microphone that boosts quality of your voice, so others can hear you clearly if you like to use your earbuds to take up calls. Now, more importantly, for those of you who like to wear your earbuds for sports, the W3 here is actually dust-proof and waterproof, so you can take it on your runs. Now, last but not least, it also comes with a super long battery life and up to 18 hours of battery life with the case itself. So that's just a story with the BASEUS W3, a very, very affordable wireless earbuds. Alright, so next one we're going to check out here is a more expensive, a more premium wireless earbuds from BASEUS. This is the BASEUS S1. Now, the BASEUS S1 is a very powerful wireless ANC TWS that comes with great audio quality, active noise cancellation, and it supports gaming mode. It comes in a more premium build quality that feels nice to hold and use, and in terms of audio, the S1 is able to reduce up to 28 dB of noise from your environment. It can also support ambient mode, which allows you to hear your environment even with the earbuds in your ears. Now this is especially useful if you are outside and crossing the street or something, but audio quality wise, the bass is much stronger here on the S1, vocals are also much clearer on the S1, and connecting this device is also very fast. As soon as I open the case, it connects almost instantly. Now you guys must be wondering, how is it like in terms of the battery life? So BASEUS is promising up to 24 hours of battery life with the charging case. Now, at the price of approximately 200 ringgit or under 200 ringgit for that matter, I think that this is actually a pretty solid offering from BASEUS. So if you are interested in this product here, don't forget to check out the links down below for more information on the BASEUS S1. Alright guys, that's pretty much what I have to share with you guys today. Like I said, we have this very interesting mini fridge and the 2 wireless earbuds. But if you want to know more about BASEUS and what they are having for their 11/11 promo, don't forget to check out the links down below to head over to their official Lazada store where you can find out all about their discounts from BASEUS. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope to see all of you guys in the next one. Stay safe everybody. Bye!